How are you gonna name him?
Not yet sure, but still thinking about it. So, Caleb, you're gonna be an uncle in 6 months.
So, kuya, kamusta?
I'm good. Coping with stuff. How's mom?
She's very concerned about you. She wants you to go home. Stay ka muna dun for a while.
That sounds like a good idea. I can bring Katrina. I can introduce her to mom.
Bro, pwede ba tayo mag-usap? So that's how you pay respect to your wife.
Christian, please. Hear me out. You know that I love Katrina. At alam mo na muntik na rin akong sumunod sa kanya pagkatapos niyang mamatay.
It's not a solution. It's a fucking robot, Caleb.
She's not. She loves me. She loves me like Katrina does.
Oh my God, Caleb. At the end of the day, that robot is programmed to love you. It doesn't love you naturally!
But it feels real. All of it.
Well, it's not! I can't believe you accepted something synthetic as a form of true love. To be honest, kuya, ang babaw mo. Nagmamahal ka ng robot ng laruan. Akala ba masaya si Katrina sa ginagawa mo? Pinagpalit mo siya sa laruan!
Fucking dare talk to me like that.
Kuya!
Inside my house.
Is anything wrong?